Bake. To cook food by dry heat in an oven. I'm going to bake a chocolate cake for my friend's birthday. She likes to bake homemade bread on the weekends. Blend. To mix or combine different ingredients or substances together until they become uniform. You should blend the fruits and yogurt to make a smoothie. Blend the spices with the sauce for a flavorful curry. Boil. To heat a liquid until it reaches its boiling point, causing bubbles and vapor to form. She boils pasta in a large pot of salted water. I like to boil eggs for breakfast. Chop. To cut food into small pieces using a knife or other cutting tool. Chop the onions finely for the salsa. He chopped the vegetables for the stir-fry. Dice. To cut food into small, evenly sized cubes. Dice the potatoes for the hash browns. She diced the tomatoes for the salad. Fry. To cook food by immersing it in hot oil or fat. You can fry chicken wings for a crispy texture. He likes to fry fish for dinner. Grate. To shred food into small pieces by rubbing it against a grater. Grate some cheese to sprinkle over the pasta. She grated carrots for the coleslaw. Grill. To cook food over an open flame or on a grill, often with grill marks. Let's grill some burgers for the barbecue. Grilling vegetables enhances their flavor. Knead. To work dough by pressing, folding, and stretching it with your hands to make it smooth. Knead the bread dough until it becomes smooth and elastic. She's kneading the pizza dough for tonight's dinner. Marinate. To soak food, usually meat, in a seasoned liquid or marinade to enhance its flavor. You should marinate the chicken in a mixture of herbs and spices. The steak has been marinating in wine and garlic all afternoon. Mash. To crush or press food, typically cooked or soft ingredients, into a smooth and often creamy consistency using a masher, fork, or other utensil. She mashed the potatoes for dinner. She likes to mash ripe bananas to make banana bread. Melt. To turn a solid substance into a liquid by applying heat. Melt the butter in a saucepan before adding it to the recipe. She melted chocolate for the dessert. Mix. To combine different ingredients or substances together. Mix the flour, sugar, and eggs to make the cake batter. It's important to mix the salad dressing thoroughly. Poach. To cook food by gently simmering it in a liquid, often water or broth. Poach the eggs in simmering water until the whites are set. Poach chicken in broth until it's cooked through. Roast. To cook food, especially meat, by exposing it to dry heat in an oven or over an open flame. Roast the turkey for Thanksgiving dinner. He roasts a whole chicken with herbs and spices. Sauté. To cook food quickly in a small amount of oil or butter in a pan over high heat. Sauté the onions and garlic until they are fragrant. She sautés mushrooms to serve as a side dish. Season. To add herbs, spices, or other flavorings to food to enhance its taste. Season the steak with salt and pepper before grilling. You can season the soup with a pinch of thyme. Slice. To cut food into thin, flat pieces using a knife or slicer. Slice the cucumber for the salad. She sliced the roast beef for sandwiches. Squeeze. To press or extract liquid from something by applying pressure. Squeeze the lemon to get fresh juice for the drink. You can squeeze the excess water out of the spinach. Steam. To cook food by exposing it to steam, often in a steamer or over boiling water. Steam the broccoli until it's tender crisp. Steaming is a healthy way to cook vegetables. Stir. To mix ingredients in a circular motion using a utensil, like a spoon. Stir the soup to ensure even heating. Gently stir the pancake batter until it's smooth. Whisk. To beat or mix ingredients vigorously using a whisk or fork to incorporate air and achieve a smooth consistency. You can whisk the cream until it forms stiff peaks for dessert. Whisk sugar and cocoa for chocolate sauce. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.